Yeah, what's up? We are at Jacks Woodlakes Cars and Coffee Meet, and you know, the park's right here, and right here we are next to the Jurassic Park car, where a man has seemed to be eaten alive by a dinosaur. I hope my car does not get eaten up after this, or there's any dinosaurs here, but you know, that's really nice. But yeah, we've got some other cool American cars right here, and some other cool cars as well. So we've got this Chevy right here, looking really nice, and we've got this Camaro Z28. I think this is Camaro. We've got a Mercedes right here, pretty nice. Got some Audi, and we've got a VW camper. Take a look at this. Got some cool cars around here. Got this nice blue Ford Mustang right here. We've got this lime green Ford Fiesta S. I never knew they just made an S model. I thought there was like an ST and there was like an RS. We've also got a Firebird coming down the road right here. Got this nice Chevrolet truck coming down there. That looks nice. So coming down here, we have a Chevy El Camino, and this is one of my dream cars right here. Or dream trucks, I don't know, it's a ute. It's like a mixture between a truck and a car. So if you look at the front, it's like a muscle car, and at the back it's like a truck, and I just really love these. It's got a really nice paint job to it. I really like it. Got a Fiat 500 right here. We come down the road right here, we have a Ford, I think, is this a Caprice? I don't know, that's just a guess. It's a pretty big, oh no, it's a truck. Oh my god, alright, that is pretty nice. I do actually like this. What is this? I don't know what this is, so if you can let me know in the comment section below. It says GT on the side. Oh, it says something on the side. The Ford Ranchero. That's pretty nice. And what do we have here? Another one. Yep, this is another one. This one has a black grille and a black trim to it. Looks really nice. And obviously it's red. I think we've got some more. I think we've got like a Chevy right down there. So yeah, we've got some more cars down there. We've got a Land Rover and a Chevy truck right there. Is it a truck? No, it's like a wagon. I really like wagons. So if we come down right here, we've got this three-wheeled, I think this is a Triumph. We've got this three-wheeled car. I've seen these about, and these look pretty nice. Yeah, I think there's a piece of paper in there telling about, yeah. Oh, it's about an event. Classic car picnic. Jed's and Sandy's classic car picnic. Have a look at that. But yeah, we've got way more cars down here. We've got some cars we have not looked at down this section still. I think it's, or is it Jag? I don't know. It's a B250. Please let me know in the comment section below. Maybe you can look at the steering wheel. It's a B, yeah. Alright, please let me know in the comments if you know what this is. It looks like it has a pretty luxurious interior. I do like it. Got those mirrors right there. Don't really see many cars like that anymore. So we got a Holden. I forgot they called these, but I've seen these about, and these are pretty nice. I think these have a V8 or something. They're pretty nice shoots. Maybe I need something like this for my work. Alright, so we've got another Jag, and yeah, I mean this one's pretty nice as well. This one's a Jag, because it says Jag on it. I can't even do an accent like that, even though I'm British. We've got an MGB, I think this is. These are pretty cool. These are actually really small. Smaller than I thought, actually. Right here we have another Chevrolet. And is that a Supra? We also have a BMW E30 right there. So we have a Mercedes, a Focus, I think this is a Focus ST or RS. We have an RS. I really do like these RS. They do have a nice body kit to them. You know, it's got some rally inspiration right there. We've got something shown out of the boot of this. Is it a Ford Escort? Yes, it is. So yeah, I think this seems to be a rally car. And we've also got a Aston Martin with the Golf livery on it. So if we come down, I'm not sure if there's any more cars around here.
Today, you just thought in general.
So yeah, we've got a Chevrolet right here, and we've got an Audi Quattro. And if we come down here, we've got the Firebird still down here. We've got some Renault right here, some just other general cars around here. A lot of these are just here for the cafe. I heard the cafe is really nice here. Down right here, we actually have a Suzuki Carry right here. This is actually a K-truck imported from Japan. He's had a little bit of a bumping recently, as I saw he posted. He's where he slided into another car because someone pulled out in front of him. But yeah, come down here. I really love this license plate. W77 WTF. 77 double V77 WTF. I'm not sure if that is legal, but I think you can technically get away with that. We've got this Nissan right here, Nissan Cherry, I think this is. I really actually like these. These look quite nice. Even though I'm looking for something a bit bigger for my business, but I mean it's about the same size as my Corsa, I'd say. We've got 4x4 club. There's Muncher 4x4 off-road club. So you know, if you're around this sort of area, I guess, you like off-roading, you know. I don't know where that is based actually. I mean, I'm a bit far out of my local area, but we've got some Mini Cooper S's down here. Looking really nice. I think that's just one. There's a few more cars down here actually. So we've got a Triumph. I think he is now leaving. We've got a Triumph right down there. Got a Vauxhall Combi as well.
They're long, and they're a lot longer than you think as well.
That sounds pretty nice.
Definitely that. Take your leg room in one of them. Same as a Countryman.
We got some minis right here. I might consider one of these. Yeah. I consider a Mini Countryman. They seem to have a bit more space, so I'm looking for something for a little bit more space. So we've got loads of Mini Coopers right down here. Here we have I'm super zoomed in. If you come down here, we have this Land Rover. We have 2 Land Rovers right here. These are pretty nice as well. This one is absolutely crazy, the Mud Muncher right here. Oh, I'm running out of time of recording. But yeah, it's got some really serious suspension on here, and it's got like a toe thing on the front. And you know, it's got quite a unique sort of colour to it. And it's got full-on bucket seats, so maybe this is actually used for, like, you know, maybe this is used for actually going quick around. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if rock crawlers actually use these sort of seats, or if it's just like, I don't know, or is it just like a trophy sort of truck sort of thing? I don't know if I could get some food or not, but I mean, I think I'm fully booked up at the moment, so yeah, it's pretty busy in there actually.